What many people don't know is that paintbrushes like you and I have feelings. Paintbrushes just love serving artists, and they work very hard distributing the paint from your palette onto your canvas. We use them for soft blending, but at times we have a tendency to work them pretty hard. Brushes want to serve our needs, but the truth is that their effectiveness is determined by just how well we care for them. Brushes deserve to be cared for, and the most important thing we can do to make this happen is to clean them at the end of each of our painting sessions. Although acrylic paint behaves like a gel, fluid and malleable, when it dries it hardens to a solid plastic state. The process of acrylic paint drying is an irreversible process. Once it has dried, it cannot be dissolved. What does this mean for us? Well, as we dab, stroke, blend, scumble, or feather, much of the paint finds its way deep into the bristles of our brushes. In fact, one of the most tricky areas is that of the ferrule of the brush, which is the metal area that holds the brushes in place. To properly wash a brush, it is essential to use a constant flowing stream of water from the sink. In this video, you will see me dabbing the brush on the surface of the sink. This helps to free up the paint embedded in the bristles. In addition, you can see that I'm dabbing the brush in the palm of my hand in a similar fashion. Doing this, in combination with the addition of soap, or in this case, brush conditioner, will ensure that you are able to remove any and all traces of paint from your paintbrush before leaving the studio for the day. So, when do you know when your brush is clean? Well, a quick testament to a clean brush occurs when the water leaving your brush is totally clear, free of any paint color still present in the bristles. I might go one step further and encourage you to ask yourself this question. Would I be okay with this brush, still wet from the cleaning, to be wiped across my favorite brand new shirt? If you hesitate here, I recommend washing your brush a little bit more. What you saw during the last portion of the video was me pointing the brush. You can do this depending on the brush shape, just to add a little bit more conditioner or soap into the brush and use your fingers to point it into its natural shape. And that goes a long way in ensuring the brush has a long life and is ready to use the next time you go to grab it.